Morning, guys. What's up? Doing some roof diagnostics. I'm out here in Kitchener, Waterloo. All these people, I guess they've been having leaks for a long time, and they've had lots of people up here and they can't figure out why. I'll show you a couple reasons why. Okay, so you got a spot like this over here. Check it out. Looks like they just put like under their valley, they put a step flash, try to kick the water, divert it out a little bit past the thing. The water's backing up underneath that step. It's going back and then going right underneath. This doesn't even have any ice and water under there. Nothing, there's nothing in there. And then I'm gonna take a walk down the valley. Look at this. So you actually have a hole in the valley. Looks like probably someone stepped on it or threw their material in there or whatnot. It's got a hole. So this is a snow trap area. So this would fill up with snow, and then it's gonna melt from underneath up. It melts from the bottom up, so it's gonna be like a solid lake of water, and that's just gonna pour right in there. So I'll say goodnight to these people's ceiling. All in all, just kind of a bad quality job. And you go over here to this pan here, you got the same issue. This one's actually even worse, but these people apparently don't have leaks. Hey, Joe. So our top sales rep, Joe, you. Okay. We'll get it back. This is what we're gonna do today. I was sent out here to Kitchener, Waterloo, like I said, by myself, solo mission. But apparently I got like 14 units to look at here, and I'm not going to be able to get this done today, obviously. So what I'm going to do is diagnose, execute my game plan, and then I'm going to chip away and get what I can done today, since I'm already here, right? But I got this whole survey. Check it out. Go check around all these buildings here. I got skylights leaking, I got chimneys leaking, I got these pan areas leaking, a couple lowers where the porches need to be done. They're just doing all these repairs while they're waiting to get their roof done. It's a condominium complex. But while I got you guys, I want to show you something with the caps here. So everybody knows you're supposed to double nail your caps so that they don't blow off when you're using a gun. But look at how these guys have their caps nailed. I'm gonna show you how it's going, okay? So, see that? How they got their caps nailed? They did double nail it. You're right. But not one of those nails is in the right spot. So, when you double nail your caps, you go, well, this guy's okay. You want to go right below your tar line, but you're gonna put another one right there on the same line. You don't go up above it. Go here and here. Here and here. Do it like this. Sometimes they can blow off. Some of these, like, he probably doesn't even have the same nail pattern on the other one below. Yeah, see? Gee, this guy's all over the place. See, he's above. That's garbage. That's inadequate nailing. That's called service calls. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna get back at this and open this valley up here and see what we're looking at, and then I'll get these two big valleys taken care of today, fix a couple other little leaks, and then we'll call it a day. Come back with a helper. Hey, one more quick thing before I get this valley out and show you what we got underneath here. Well, see these nail holes? Like, guys had the caps and shit nailed over there as starters and such. Like, the roofer's got to know, you got your peak there, the water's coming down. Of course it's gonna hit that and go in the nail. That's a leak. That's a leak. That's a leak. That's a leak. Look at this. The nail hole right there. Right there. That's a leak too. So, gotta watch where we put these nails, boys. Look at this one. Right in the fucking seam. Alright, fellas, we're in here now. So, that hole that I showed you guys inside the valley, this is where it was. So you can see that hole's been there for a long time. It's filled up with dirt. That's getting washed down in there all with all the water. It's tracking its way all the way down this truss. This is a small part that's been backing up from the step, but it's going all the way down there. It's leaking into this lady's closet. It's leaking really bad. Apparently they got to do a ton of interior work here. So I'm gonna ice this all up. I'm gonna put the little piece of drip edge there to extend that down farther. When I put this W style valley in here, I'm gonna kick it out far, kick it out a few inches past the gable. All my nails are only gonna be on the seams of the valley. No nails in here like how they had before. Nail holes is just leaks. I gotta rip this out. Yeah. Let's get her done. Let's get down to the scholastics now. What I did and why I did it. Okay, I'll tell you why. Alright, so this is all sealed up underneath here. Underneath the valley, there's no air gaps or anything like that. This valley is kicked out. Kicked out far from the edge of the gable. Now you see how there's a vent here, really close, right? So say you get a heavy rain, and the water's going to shoot off like that. And you got normally you put your nail there like that. Well, if you just leave it like that, the water would have shot off that valley, went underneath, and then started wicking down that nail head. So you just talk around the sides a little bit, over the top. Bob's your uncle. Now, some of you guys might wonder, like, how can you put this valley in without getting any nails at all anywhere close to the seam? So here we go. Let's go. So once you start getting to here, you start changing your nail pattern a little bit. So see how my nails are up a little higher there? They're probably going to be lower there. See, lower. Work your way up higher. Work your way up higher, put them in closer together, even higher, higher like that. Then you get to one. That's going to be my last nail there, as close as I'm going to get. This is nailed right on the peak. This one, it's only nailed here, because this is where I'm starting to tuck this underneath the shingles. Now what I'm going to do, because it's the only one that doesn't have a nail on that one side, so this is where I'm going to put caulking, and I'm going to squeeze that down. But it has the nails everywhere else, and that's where you put your nails, guys. Okay, so caps are going all the way underneath here, everywhere. Right, it's all good to go. So, and yeah, I don't know what the books say. I haven't read that shit in a long time or whatever. But I'm telling you right now, if the book says to put in the nails any other way than this, then fuck the book. It's wrong, straight up. Okay, so I'm gonna go downstairs, get this job all cleaned up, head to Hamilton, and then I'm out of here till tomorrow. Have a good day, guys. Cheers. Complete.